My name is Heeta Raina and I'm a third year computer science student. I was struggling with the summer internship and I applied so many places. In this period of pandemic where offline internships are actually next to impossible, I got to know about ETG's internship initiative and I applied right away. Actually, ETG is providing us with this opportunity to do an online internship where we learn, practice, do live projects and get exposure of how industry works. I'm very excited to tell you all that I got selected for this internship for 1 month in machine learning and artificial intelligence. Actually, I had no background knowledge of Python and was really very skeptical whether I'll be able to understand the concepts or not. But the best part is experts are teaching us from the scratch. And in last 2 sessions, I started to learn topics like introduction to Python, data science, and in further session we'll be learning data structures, file handling, operating system commands, and functions in Python, and DIY libraries and with Python, and very much more. Not only this, but during this internship, I'll also get a chance to do a live industry-based projects to understand how Amazon, Flipkart, others manage their inventories via inventory management system. I highly recommend to all the students from second year to even pass outs who want to get an industrial exposure but are not able to get any internships. I'm sure this will leave a career defining impact on them.